Hi friends, you are watching All Today Tech channel. Today I am going to explain about MS Word, one of the option in MS Word friends. In my previous video I tell you from this video I am showing to MS Word, one of the part of MS Office, that is MS Word options, that is home option I am going to showing friends. What are the options and what are all these I am going to explain today friends. If you type anything like this, you can type friends, but you want to change the styles. Here you see friends, these are writing styles friends. What I write in caliber body friends, next I write in this mode. See friends, style will change. Next I change this one. This is Arial black. Next I write in this mode. See friends, there is different styles, lot of styles. You will choose what type of style you want. These are all styles. You click on this arrow mark, you see lot of styles friends. Whichever you like, you use that one. This is also one of the style. There are number of models friends. You will select what you want. This is the size of the letter friends. See, the size will change when I change numbers 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. See friends, you observe that the size of the letters will change. This big A will increase the font size without changing this arrow or changing like this. It will increase 2 steps friends. This small A, it will decrease 2 steps. For every click this will decrease 2 steps. This is the sentence case friends, that means lowercase, uppercase. Lowercase means small letters, uppercase means capital letters. Capitalize each word means in every word the first letter will be capitalized. Toggle case means this is reverse to capitalize case, that means every word first letter will be small letter. See friends, lowercase means all will be in lowercase, uppercase means all will be in uppercase. Capitalize means first letter will be capital, all are small. Toggle case means first letter is small, all are capital. Generally we will capitalize friends. If you want change, you will change friends. In this you see cut, copy, format painter. Cut means it will cut the present word which you select. This is unselect friends. If you select like this, you will cut this and paste whenever you want. Paste this, if you click on this paste option, it will paste it. Cut option only cuts present one. The next one is, if you select and you will copy, this will keep the original and paste number of times like this friends. Cut means it will cut the original one and paste it wherever you want. Copy means it keeps the original one and just copies and pastes wherever you want. Friends, see this bold means bold, it will thickness, and italic means just slightly bent the word. Underline means you will get underline under the selected word. In underlines there are lot of varieties. You see double dash, single dash with thickness, dotted lines, dashed lines, this some variety designed, wave underlines, all like this. None means no underline. You will get whatever you want. See friends, like this you can choose your what type of underline you want. Next, ABC strikeout means your word will be striked out. See friends, in some paragraphs we deliberately needs to strike out one of the options. Like for that you use this one, this X2. I will show one of the example, friends. Suppose you, okay, I remove strikeout, then A 2, friends. 2 will be not beside A, it will under A. If you select X2, this option, it will goes to downward. If you select this one, it will goes to upside, that means A square. So this means this is the style of the letter, friends. See friends, the style will change, the 2 will changing its color styles like this. You can select whatever you want. Then this ABC means the color of the text, friends, not color, the background of the text. We select this one and select this, the background of the text will change. Suppose if you select this, the color of the letters, see friends, the black letters will change to red one. This is, friends, this, see friends, the beside this bullets, these bullets, when you want to write points, you select this number of types. If you select this bullet, this is circle, this is square, like this, arrow mark, tick mark, like this, all options you want to, if you write point by point, you want to use symbol, you use these symbols. This is 1 to 3, friends, that means it will give numbering to your different types. 1 ABC Roman, all these small ABC, this type of 1 to 3 it will give. It shows you hierarchy, friends. Suppose 1 like this, 1 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like this. You can you can put headings if you select this one. This means it will decrease the what is paragraph, the, see friends, it will increasing the paragraph length, starting length. If you click on this, it will decrease it. The below are the styles, friends, where you need to put from starting. All are, see friends, these lines are same in left side. If you click on this, your word will keep in left. If you click on this, it will be in center. If you click on this, it will goes to right. If you click on this, justify, friends, that means paragraph, all lines are same, friends. It will auto adjust to same without higher and lower, each line, all are same. This is line spacing, friends. See, if you select this, it will increase the spacing, line spacing. Like this, see friends, some space coming and going, like this. These all are add spaces between lines. This is the highlighter, friends. All of you know highlighter means if there is an important one, we will highlight that line with some color. Here it will use like this. See friends, when I put on some color, the total line will highlighted with that color. For this highlightation, we will use this one. this is the underline of bottom. Like this we can create this bottom border, top border we can create, left right no border. Tables also we will create using this. We will create tables also, outside border, inside. Like this we can create borders, friends. See friends, these are the styles, friends, word styles. See, when I change to everyone, it's showing the different type of styles. Generally we use normal, friends. See friends, this is show paragraph marks. That means for every paragraph, this is one of the paragraph, this is one of the paragraph. For every end of paragraph it will shows this is end one. If you remove it, it will delete it. This option sort, friends, sort by. From sort by paragraph text, if we have a lot of paragraphs, we can sort it. And this find means it will finds what you want. Suppose I click on all, there are 8 alls, all showing in yellow color. That means these are your findings. Replace means you can replace all with, you want to replace all with some today. Here replace means just one, all will replace today. Replace all means all will replace. Find next means with what is the next word, it will find all. That will only change today. If we replace all, click on all, 8 alls will be changed to today. Today. Like this, these all are changed. Plus most important one I was not told you, that is format painter. This format painter is like copy, friends. Suppose, see friends, I select this. Whenever I select one of thing, copy will, when we copy this, that text only will copy, friends. Is this here the format painter means the style what is involved in that selected, only the style will be copied. See friends, format painter, I format this selected one and I can apply this to this. See friends, format painter. See friends, when I select the above one, the same format will be applied to that one. This is very important. Lot of people don't know. So if you want this style, oh, what is this style, we need to go, this is Arial black number 11, and if you want to apply this to this, we need to change here Arial black. Where is searching all are waste of time. Select this one, format painter, and apply this to this one. Easily change whatever the properties of the you selected, all are applied to the where you want to apply that properties to other text. You need to easily apply this. This format painter is very useful, friends. This the main options in this we use is this home, friends. All are the style, size, like paragraphs, gapping, line spacing, for this highlighter, bold, italian. Mainly we use home is the main key point, friends. For everyone, home, all main options are available in home, friends. The remaining inside design, all some changes, that means not they are important, but we can use this for some techniques. Mainly we get complete hand on home, friends. Home will be main used one. Mainly all major parts available in home only, friends. This is about home option. In my next video I will explain another option. Friends, please subscribe my channel to get updates. This is about home, friends, in MS Word. MA one of the part of MS Office. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. If you like this, subscribe and share to your friends and family friends. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.